Assalamu alaikum everyone, very welcome you all in MJ Acad. I am Mubashir. In this short video I'm gonna tell you how you can download and install Handbrake. Handbrake is a free software which is used to compress your large size videos, so it will be quite handy if you are uploading your videos on the YouTube or you want to send it to your client. So let's dive into it. So here we are on our laptop screen. So to download the Handbrake, we will open our Chrome browser and in our search bar we will type Handbrake download. Just click on it, then open the first website. So it is for the multiple operating system, Mac, Windows, Linux. So I'm gonna download it for Windows. So I will click on the download 64-bit, as my operating system is 64-bit, and once I will click on it and start downloading. So you can also check it in download folder as it is downloading. My download is ready. Now I will go to the download folder of my laptop. Here is my Handbrake software. Now I will double click on it to install it. Now we'll press next and install. It will take some time to get installed. Then I will click finish. It will be installed. Once it gets installed, now you can open the Handbrake easily. Just double click on the Handbrake and this window will pop up. You can drag and drop your video to the Handbrake directly. You can open from the file where you have stored your videos. That's simple. That is how you can install Handbrake, that is a compressing software.